In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add someone in WhatsApp group. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up WhatsApp, then go to chats, then enter a group where you are an admin. Tap right here at group's name. Scroll down until you find the list of group participants. And from here we can add someone in two different ways. The first way is add a participant from your contacts book. To do that, tap at Add Participants. That will open up your contacts, and from here we can check mark multiple users whom we would like to add to that group. Once we have selected all the users, we need to tap at Add to send invitation or to add that users to your group. Also, you can invite any user to your group via link. If we tap at that option, we'll be able to copy group invitation link, and then we can go to any other messages, any social media platform. Let it be Facebook Messenger. We can open it up, then we can just open up some conversation and then just paste the link we have just copied and hit at send. After that, a user will be able to follow that link and join your group on WhatsApp.